welcome back to another episode of Boom Train Spots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and you're probably thinking, Boom, what is this? This is a human I see. And I am actually the human who works for Boom. So Boom the cat is my boss, and he told me to kind of be him when I go and film videos. So he basically says, oi, human Boom, go to Tilehurst. And then I go to Tilehurst and film the video, and it will be somewhere around here, I think somewhere over there. So yeah, he is my boss and I work for him, and I will be baking a cake today to celebrate 50 subscribers. So I can't believe we've hit this milestone so quickly, but thank you to all who have subscribed. So ready, steady, bake, I think they say. So I have this cake mix here. It's from Sainsbury's, and nothing in this video is sponsored. In case you see some brands, they're not sponsored at all, but they're all good brands. And I'll be using this and some Cadbury's, official Cadbury's Fudge icing there. So that's that. But first of all, well, read the instructions. It says preheat the oven to 160 degrees because this is a fan. This isn't actually my kitchen, it's my grandparents', so thank you very much for letting me borrow your kitchen today.
That's all right.
Thank you. So the second step is empty cake mix into a large bowl and add the eggs. So there we go. Right then, and now add 2 eggs and 120 millilitres of milk. So egg 1. Wash my hands. The hands have been washed, so now it is 120 millilitres of milk. That's the milk. There we go. That's all in. And whisk on medium speed for 2 minutes.
Start it on slow.
Oh yeah. Whisk is on. Right. So that's 2 minutes. Put it in the tin. I've got my spatula here. The Imperfect Cooking Show. This is. to sprinkle sugar on the top of my cakes because it kind of goes all hard and crispy in the oven, and it's nice. So. Bit imperfect. Right then. So what's this? The pigeon got in. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Cut this bit out. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness. Do you mind being a bit quieter, please?
Slight bit of editing necessary there.
Oh dear. We definitely didn't let a pigeon in. Anyway. Oh my gosh, right, how long do I put this? Bake in the centre of the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Right then. So, you may need to ask an adult for help if you're doing this and you're a small person.
Didn't see that, did you? The pigeon came in.
Right. I'll see you back here in 25 minutes or so.
Have you started it?
Hmm?
You started
Yeah.
it? No, you haven't.
Yeah. Oh no. This is so bad. Go for a stop record. Right then, let's remove the cake. It's been some time. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, I've never used my grandparents' oven before, so sorry about this lamb. Okay, the cake is out and just cooling down by the looks of things.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes it needs to let sit. Sorry about the pigeon interruption, by the way. You know what they say, never film animals and kids, I think it is. That doesn't normally happen, but I'm staying on the 3rd floor of a 3rd floor block of flats, and the balcony is just too inviting for any animals or any birds. So the pigeon came in. Apologies for that. It was a rogue, uninvited subscriber that had to join in with the party. Right then, so it's been a while and we've got the cake out of the oven and it's cooled down for over half an hour. And here it is. It's looking amazing, if I say so myself. So now I'm going to get my lovely Cadbury's fudge icing, not sponsored by the way, but still very good stuff. Take the seal off that. Ooh, look how smooth that is. There. Very, very nice. Ooh. Anyway, get my oversized palette knife. Oh yeah. I think I need a lot of this stuff because it says it makes an 8-inch cake. This is a 7, so I need a lot of it. Oh, that's really nice. Excuse the noise. Right then, that is an iced cake, looking lovely. It smells amazing in here, by the way. If only microphones could take the smell as well as sound. Right, I have some Smarties here. Some very nice Smarties. So what I'm going to do is... Oh gosh, I don't look like this is going on. Your bags never open as they should. They always open below the hairline. Right, there we go. I'm just going to put some on the side here. It has been cleaned, by the way, after the raw egg. Gosh, that pigeon is funny though. No wildlife was harmed in the baking of this cake and the making of this video. The pigeon was perfectly fine, he just flew away. Right, so here I have some Cunard matches, because I found them in the drawer. And some 50 candles. Not sponsored by Dr. Oetker, but he makes some nice candles. Right then. Put 5 in the fire. The 0 and the 0. Whoa, I might just bring it a bit closer together. Hey, 50 subscribers! Woohoo! Thank you, thank you.
Hooray!
Hey,
Here's for the boom cat.
boom cat. Amazing, thank you, family. Here's the cake. Look at that.
It's the watch, the clock face. See the clock face on
Oh yeah. I'll take some photos in a minute. Awesome, right, I'll take some photos and I'll light the candles. I'll see you in a minute. Right then, we've taken some photos. That's all good. So I'm going to take it out of its paper case and put it on the kind of wire rack thing. Okay. Coming. There we go. Oh, amazing. Oops. A tiny bit crumbly, but other than that, always well. So I'll light the candles and then we can officially celebrate 50 subscribers. This isn't perfect, this video, but I'll try and be a bit more professional on the 100 subscriber special, but you know, as with anything homemade, it's as good as it gets, I guess. Hopefully the cake will taste better than the video. Right, Liv, ready? I shouldn't be able to blow it out actually, because I got my
Happy birthday to you. Boom cat.
Right, yay, I've blown it out. I've officially hit 50 subscribers. So thank you very much to everyone who subscribed.
Yay, boom cat. 50 subscribers.
Congratulations, boom!
Thank you. So on Saturday's video will be a best of Boom Train Sports before 50 subscribers. And thank you very much to everyone who subscribed. And thank you so much for helping me hit this milestone. I'd love to give you a piece of cake, but obviously with the virus and stuff, I might be safe, so I'll have it with my family. So thanks for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be a link somewhere in the cards, I imagine over this side. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Saturday.